What if everything you've ever known, every star, every galaxy, every particle in our vast cosmos, exists within something smaller than a grain of sand? What if our entire universe is just a secret tucked inside a black hole? We think of black holes as the universe's ultimate destroyers. Cosmic vacuum cleaners, devouring all in their path, sealing matter and light away forever. But what if this terrifying end is, in fact, a miraculous beginning? What if these monstrous voids are not just graves, but ultimate cosmic wombs, secretly birthing new universes? This is the shocking theory that could redefine everything you know about existence. For decades, black holes have terrified and fascinated us. Born from the collapse of massive stars, their gravitational pull is so immense that nothing, not even light, can escape once it crosses an invisible boundary, the event horizon. Beyond this point, time and space contort, leading to a single, infinitely dense point called a singularity. Everything that falls in is crushed, stretched, and seemingly obliterated. They are the ultimate endpoint, the universe's shredders. A one-way ticket to oblivion. But herein lies a profound paradox. Physics tells us that information cannot be truly destroyed. If a book falls into a black hole, the matter itself is gone, but the information, the specific arrangement of its atoms, should theoretically persist somewhere. Where does it go? The black hole information paradox is one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in science. It suggests that what happens at the singularity might not be a simple end, but something far more complex. Something that challenges our fundamental understanding of reality. What if the singularity isn't an endpoint, but a pivot? A gateway? Imagine a point of infinite density. All the laws of physics as we know them break down. This isn't just a deeper void, it's a realm beyond our current comprehension. Some physicists propose that within this singularity, the intense pressures and energies don't just annihilate matter, but compress it beyond anything we can imagine, perhaps even bouncing it into a new state. A new dimension. A new reality. This isn't science fiction. It's a cutting-edge theory known as the fecund universes, or cosmological natural selection theory. Pioneered by physicist Lee Smolin, it proposes a radical idea. Black holes are not merely destroyers, but universe factories. Each time a black hole forms, the singularity at its core could trigger a new Big Bang, giving birth to a baby universe, a separate cosmos with its own set of physical laws, perhaps even subtly different from our own. Think of it, an infinite cascade. Our universe creates black holes, and each of those black holes might, in turn, create another universe. A cosmic fractal, infinitely nesting. How could this possibly work? When a star collapses to form a black hole, the matter compresses to unimaginable densities. The gravitational forces become so extreme that they might rip the fabric of space-time itself, effectively creating a tear or a wormhole that branches off into another dimension. At this point of extreme compression and energy, a new region of space-time could inflate, mimicking the Big Bang that created our own universe. This new universe would be causally disconnected from ours. We couldn't observe it, couldn't interact with it. From our perspective, the black hole is a one-way street to oblivion. But from its perspective, it's a cosmic womb, giving birth to everything. It would inherit some characteristics from its parent universe, but with slight variations in fundamental constants, like the strength of gravity, the mass of electrons, or the speed of light. This variation is key to Smolin's theory of cosmological natural selection. Just as biological evolution favors organisms best adapted to their environment, Smolin suggests that universes that produce more black holes are fitter. Universes with physical constants that allow for massive star formation and subsequent collapse would be more successful at reproducing. Our universe, teeming with stars and black holes, might be exquisitely tuned precisely because it's good at making more universes. This leads us to the most mind-bending question of all. If black holes give birth to universes, could our universe itself be the interior of a black hole, formed by a colossal collapse in a parent universe that existed before ours? Consider the implications. The Big Bang wasn't a beginning out of nothing, but a rebirth within something. Our cosmic horizon, the edge of the observable universe, would simply be the event horizon of our parent black hole. We wouldn't be able to see outside it, just as nothing can escape a black hole. The expansion of our universe could be interpreted as the ongoing inflation within that black hole. This theory offers a tantalizing solution to the fine-tuning problem. Our universe's fundamental constants are perfectly calibrated for the emergence of complex structures, stars, and life. If these constants were even slightly different, the universe would be a barren wasteland. Why this exquisite balance? Cosmological natural selection suggests it's no accident. Our universe is simply one that was successful at producing black holes, and thus, more universes. So, the terrifying cosmic shredders we once feared are actually the engine of the multiverse. Not a multiverse of parallel dimensions existing side by side, but a hierarchical, nested multiverse, like Russian dolls, one inside another. Every black hole, a potential seed. Every collapse, a new genesis. Your entire reality, a secret contained within a cosmic abyss, part of an unimaginably vast, self-replicating cosmic ecosystem. The universe isn't just expanding, it's reproducing. And you, me, everything, might just be living inside one of its offspring. This radical perspective flips our understanding of space, time, and existence on its head. It suggests the universe is not just large, but infinitely deep. A never-ending cycle of destruction and creation. The cosmos still holds countless secrets, waiting to be unveiled. If you found yourself questioning everything you thought you knew, subscribe to Space Facts for more cosmic mysteries that will truly blow your mind.